Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just showing some examples cut out. These are all dies from Andy's store on AliExpress. The first two are these little Halloween ones. Again, you can order these and just have them in time for next year. This one is a shaker, but I was like, you know what? Let me make non-shakers. I haven't done that yet. So this one, it just has the frame or the part to make the shaker. It's a bat that says welcome. And then this one is a pumpkin with a little witch hat. So I did the pumpkin. I left the witch hat part black and just glued that piece on too, and then his little jack-o'-lantern face. And it's a nice, perfect little embellishment size, and you know, for layering and stuff on anything. Let's see here, like this. You can put it on a bow. So there's that guy. And then the welcome one, I did not make it a shaker, but I just layered the framelit in a different color on top. The little bat says welcome. Next is this one. It's a left and a right mitten, like a cooking mitten. I just did it in pink and then a chunky white glitter as the top layering piece. I think this would be super cute for Christmas. Baking theme, anything like that. I definitely think of like winter and stuff when I think of these cooking mitts. Just because it's colder and you're cooking more in the oven. So this is super cute. I just did one of the sides. Next is this one. I actually made like a full-blown one. Embellishment. This is a vintage retro telephone. And it's a shaker right here. I did go ahead and turn it into a shaker, and I did a like Halloween version. So this is it right here. This circle part is a shaker, and you can add the dial, or it looked good without the dial as well, but I just did the dial in holographic. And the foam part and then the layering pieces I just did in black. And then I added a little black sequin spiderweb in the corner in the background. Very cute little die, and this die is definitely universal. You can use it year-round with any single collection. It is very, very, very cute. Same goes for this one. This is a typewriter die. Again, you can go with any collection, any theme. So I think. And I did this one in green, and I did the layering pieces in hollow, like this, the little, like where it makes the page go up, and the keyboard in hollow. And then I added like a little sentiment, gone batty, and then I just did some rickrack trim behind it, some sequins right here. And then I used that, it's the AliExpress, it's like a spring, like wired, it's not really wired because it doesn't really hold its shape completely, but there's a gold and a silver from Ali, and I like using that in the background, kind of like you would use thread. And it just kind of moves around. It's like interactive. And then the shaker bits in the background, I went ahead and used this pink, green, orange, black and white. And these bats, these little orange sequins are sticking, something with the static keeps sticking to the lime green bats. I was getting so annoyed. I should have ran like a dry cleaning cloth through there, but I didn't. But there you go. Cute little embellishments. So I will link everything down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.